So, you want to find the perfect keyword for your Google Ads campaign using one of the most powerful tools on the planet. The best part is it's completely free. You have probably heard of Google's Keyword Planner. It uses data straight from Google, so you know it's legit. But having access to it one thing, knowing how to use it effectively, it's a whole other challenge. It can look pretty intimidating at first. Well, don't worry. I am going to show you exactly how to use it step by step. We will cover how to find amazing keywords ideas, how to understand what all the data actually means, and even a pro level trick for spying on your competition. Let's dive in and start finding some winning keywords. Once you are in your Google Ads account, the first thing you need to do is find the keyword planner itself. Look at the left navigation bar for an icon that looks like a wrench and says Tools and Settings. Click on that and a big menu will drop down. In the first column on the left under the planning section, you will see it keyword planner. Click on that. Inside the keyword planner, you have got two main doors. Discover new keywords and get search volume and forecast. Get search volume is great if you already have a big list of keywords, but most of the time you will want to start with the first option. This tool gives you two ways to begin. Start with keywords or start with a website. Let's start with keywords. Imagine you are an e-commerce store and want to advertise smoothies. In the search box, you can drop in up to 10 seed keywords to get the ball rolling. So for example, let's type in healthy smoothies. Hit enter, then type weight loss smoothies and hit enter again. You can also narrow things down by language and location, which is crucial for ad campaigns. Once your keywords are in, click get results. Instantly, Google is going to split back a list with hundreds, maybe even thousands of keyword ideas. This is the gold mine, but you need to know how to read the treasure map. Let's break down the important columns for your ad campaigns. First, average monthly searches. Google gives you a range like 1K to 10K instead of a super specific number. Don't worry about that. These ranges are still incredibly valuable. They tell you the potential impression volume for a keyword and help you gauge demand. Next is the competition column. It will say low, medium, or high. Now, this is crucial. So, listen up. This is advertising competition. It tells you exactly how many other advertisers are bidding on that same keyword. If it is high, expect to bid more aggressively to get your ad seen. Finally, you have the top of page bid columns. This shows what advertisers are actually paying for a single click to appear at the top of the search result. A high bid like $2 to $7 screams that this keyword is commercially valuable and the traffic likely converts to sales. A keyword with a 0.10 bid might have less commercial intent, but it could be a cheap way to drive top of funnel traffic. Okay, now that you know how to analyze the result, you are probably looking at huge list and wondering, how do I find the hidden gems I can actually afford to bid on? I have got a whole other videos on my advanced filtering strategies, which I will link for you in the description. But first, let me show you a pro level trick for spying on your competition. Let's head back to the keyword planner starting page. Remember those two options, start with keywords and start with a website. This time, click the start with a website tab. This feature is just awesome. You can put into the URL of any competitor's landing page and Google will scan it and tell you what keywords it thinks that page is relevant for. So go find the landing page from your biggest competitor that you are trying to outbid. Copy that URL, paste it in the box and click get result. Google will now generate a keyword list based on your competitor's page. You are essentially getting a peek at their ad strategy blueprint. You can see the terms they are likely bidding on and even better, find related keyword that they might have completely missed. It's a fantastic way to brainstorm and see what's already profitable for the top players in your space. Whether you started with a keyword or spied on a competitor, you are going to have a long list. To make it useful, you have got to use filters. At the top of the result, you will see an option to add filter. You can use this to only show keywords that are affordable for your budget, like filtering for a top of page bid under a certain amount. Or you could filter for high competition terms if you have a big budget and want to go after the most valuable clicks. If you are a local business, filtering by location is an absolute must. Once you have got your list narrowed down to the good stuff, don't just leave it there. In the top right corner, there is a download button. You can export everything to a CSV file or a Google Sheet. This way, you can save your research, build your ad group, and have a solid foundation for your entire campaign structure. You now know how to navigate the Google Keyword Planner like a pro. You know how to discover new keyword idea, how to analyze the data to find what's truly valuable for your ad, and even how to do a little legal spying on your competition. When you use it right, this is one of the best free tools out there for building profitable ad campaign. After all, the data comes directly from the source, Google. If this video helped out and made keyword research a little less scary, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It makes a big difference. And make sure you subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Now that you have your keywords, what's the next? Well, check out this video on the screen right here where I show you how to take a keyword list and build the perfect ad group around it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.